It's early January and we're at the Miller Conservation Farm, and we want to demonstrate how to control wild grapevine that can grow in trees and basically overtake the tree and kill them. We have an example right behind us where the grapevine went up, basically took out the smaller tree and then grew over into this other tree. As you can see, it's going up there 30 to 40 feet. So for this, it's not a very hard thing to do. A small saw, a hand saw will work. In this case, we got a small chainsaw we're going to use today, and then we'll treat it with a chemical called Toradon RTU, which you can purchase at your local farm supply stores. It's not restricted, so anyone can get it and use it. Just make sure you read and follow the chemical label directions on with it. So I'm going to just demonstrate how to do it here. Okay, you only need to take one main cut of the plant. Hopefully the root system will feed the rest and eventually kill it. So just take your Toradon, squirt just a little bit on there. And then the plant will take that in and should stop the growth of the grapevine come next spring when things start to grow again. You can come back and check it in the summertime to see how good a job you've done, and you'll see that the leaves and stuff probably won't be coming out on the grapevine, which will allow sun to reach the tree again and allow the tree to grow prosperous in the future. You're welcome to come out to the Miller Farm at any time. We have walking trails and other activities out here you can do also. Any questions, you can contact Seneca Conservation District, 419-447-7073. Mandy Browsey is in charge of the farm here, and I work kind of as a farm manager. Thank you.